Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. Bring my little table over so we can assemble it together. Okay, so it's by ENTESI and it is a walker. So hopefully it's not going to be too difficult to put together. So we got a wheel and another wheel. I guess this is, ooh, look at that. It's going to come with a brake. Ooh, this is going to be sleek looking. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the colors on it. Pretty. Okay, another arm and a couple of feet with adjustable length feet. So basically this is going to be our assembly instructions to put it together. So let's see, how do we do this? Oh, it's not a brake, it's a rotation piece. Okay, so it will be like this and this. Oh, so we can fold it when we're done. And then the rounded piece goes in the front like this. And this. Look at that, we're halfway assembled already. We got our top section. And then the bottom section, we have 4 feet. So we have the back feet are these ones here, and they are adjustable, and there should be a little pin that pops out. There we go. So we'll set it to number 4. We'll just set everything to number 4 so we're all at the same length here. Let's see, where's our tubey thing? There it is. 3, 4. And this one here will go to 4. And this one here we will go to 4. Okay, so now we have all of these. And these things are so easy. Look, it's got a number 4. And so my number 4 will go into port 4, wherever port 4 is. Port 4 is right there. So there we go. A wheel is on there. I'm gonna assume 3 is this one here. 3, and we will match it up to 3. So there we go. 3, 3. And we have number 2. We'll go into number 2. This is the easiest thing to assemble, which is good. There, 2, 2, and 1, 1. And we have a fully assembled walker. So this is what it looks like here, and it is, you see it's got the, I guess you don't need brakes on this, but here, I'll aim you guys back here a little bit so you can see this is how it works here. Like that, and so you roll yourself along, whatever it is you're doing, and then when you want to fold it up, you pull these up and fold it in, throw it in the back of the car, and you're ready to go. So how cool is that? Super easy to use, and I could do, gonna hold some weight. It's a big, heavy aluminum thing. Nice grip handles. These are super comfortable here. Nice, really solid plastic. Got that sleek look in front. It's kind of cool. You could probably like hang a bag or something from it if you wanted to as well. So it's a nice walker, and the wheels roll like butter. So this is a nice walker. I'm gonna say awesome, thumbs up.